Hello everybody, and welcome to my first video here on the channel. And I don't have a webcam at the moment because it is about 11:09 p.m. I have been just struggling trying to come up with an intro and outro to this video. I don't know. It's been really difficult because I'm trying too hard to try to make this video as professional as possible and blah blah blah, whatever. I don't care. So let me go ahead by saying why does this channel exist and why am I doing this? Well, I have been really hesitant on whether or not I should do this because I really, truly hate bragging about what I do in these markets. I'm guessing that since this is on YouTube and nobody truly knows, like me personally, I don't like bragging about this to my family or friends or anybody, but I'm guessing since I'm kind of anonymous here on YouTube, I will at least try to do my best at keeping myself private, if that makes sense. Because I mean, I do want to do something fun with this. I at least want to apply some kind of like journal with this, because I've been doing this since I've been doing trading for about 3 years now, and I just recently started up a new Top Step account, and I say new because I didn't blow the other one up. I've had some weird billing issues with it, and I ended up having to make a new one for some reason. So I mean, not that the other one was even traded with to begin with. So all that aside, I started this channel because I want to show off my journey here on Top Step and hopefully getting to the past, or hopefully passing the funded challenge here. So I'm looking at the 1 minute chart here. So you might be wondering, well, what do I trade? What kind of models do you trade? Well, I trade ICT models. I know some of you guys are going to cringe when I say that, but I do. You can tell because my chart is completely clean. I don't have no moving averages or trend lines and all those harmonic animal patterns and so forth. But yeah, I do ICT models, and I primarily do the silver bullet, but I also been kind of getting out and about since the new year started, since we're in 2025. I've kind of been out and about, kind of getting out and doing other models as well that ICT has. So I've been doing like order blocks and inversion fair value gaps and breakers and all these other cool little PD arrays that I've had learned throughout my mentorship journey on ICT's channel. And I've had multiple notebooks full of bullet points and notes and things. And I've done all the back testing and all that for about a year. And I think we have seen price action long enough to where I can truly say I am confident that I will absolutely make it in these markets. And there's no doubting. I don't doubt myself in this. I'm not that kind of emotional guy pounding my fist on the desk because I lose trade or I lose money or I missed out on a trade or something like that. I'm not like that kind of guy. I have a lot of patience in this market. I truly do. And I know a lot of you are probably laughing like, oh, okay, well, let's wait and see that when you go live. Well, I will go live eventually, but those times are going to have to wait because of I don't know. I have to build the confidence of doing this kind of YouTube stuff before I even think about going live. I don't want to like go live, but at the same time I will, and I will have my webcam up, and I will have my face in the webcam, and you guys will see my emotions and how we trade. So I'm very patient when it comes to setups. I'm not that kind of guy that just sees some big price movement going somewhere like this right here, for example. I'm not just going to go short because I see it going down, or I'm going to go long here. No, I'm going to have some form of logic behind why we take trades. So I will take let's say right in this price action here, I will actually go to my journal here. So this was today's price action right here. So I do document this. I do have a lot of screenshots of my journaling stuff that I've been doing, and I'm not going to go into deep detail into that right now, but I'm just going to go by this screenshot right here, by what we've seen after the morning session was over. So we started this big move downward, which is pretty much against the whole like bullishness that went on in the morning session. And we went lower down to the 1 hour order block, and including the relative equal lows here on the sell side. No, I can't zoom out on this because I don't want to go through all that right now. But we got the 5 minute order block here, sell side reached. The price will now seek buy side. As you can see, we hit the relative equal lows. We went to the bottom of it, and we kind of respected the 1 hour order block there, the mean threshold, and that just wonderful to see. Then we rally higher, and then my terminus, my actual take profit, was at the premium fair value gap on the 5 minute chart. So I would take my fib tool here, and I would draw from this low to this high up here, and I would see that as a premium fair value gap. Now, I did not trade this, even though I said I traded it. That's kind of like something that I do to myself. I say I did trade it because it does build a little bit of confidence that I did experience it. And you're kind of tricking your brain to have like the pseudo experience kind of thing. Like, oh yeah, I did see it when I traded into that mean threshold. And I had my entry there at the top of the order block and my stop loss down below it, because it should never trade below the mean threshold of an order block. So that's a really good time, a really good position to be in. And we rode all the way here, getting 21 handles, and we have a little journal entry here. Just kind of explaining some of the things that I seen live and as I was doing its thing. So I will go into deeper detail into this kind of stuff, because like I said, I have like a billion different screenshots. I mean, look at this. This is 2024, this is 2023, and this is 2025. And there's been a shift in the way that I've been doing this. Because these are all mainly just silver bullet trades, but then towards the end of it, I started doing more complex things and such, which I don't want to go into deep detail right now. But I just want to go ahead and say, yes, I created this channel to document our Top Step journey, and I am using ICT concepts to frame our trades. And what is the most important thing with this Top Step account? Now, it's not to get rich. It's not to pass the combine, which, I mean, it is a goal, yes, but I'm not so focused on that $53,000 mark. I'm not. Okay, I want to pretty much get a funded account, and the most important things to do so is to be consistent and to keep emotions at bay, which I am pretty good at doing that. I'm pretty good at being consistent as well, but the long time journey will tell that if we are truly consistent. And I will kind of want to use that kind of idea, or that mindset, to pass the Top Step funded account challenge here. So I hope I can do that, and which I believe I can. I mean, it's not hard to throw. I mean, I've taken 2 trades in this, quote unquote 2 trades. I didn't actually take 2 trades. I paper traded. Okay, so I know I didn't actually trade real money with this, but I will be doing some kind of like, I will take trades, and I will kind of document like later on in the day what happened and how I was feeling, and I'm going to be writing bullet points because I do have a notepad here in front of me. I'll write down certain bullet points as to what I was seeing, what I was thinking, and if certain things were respected or not, and so forth. Just kind of going over the overall kind of trading kind of process that I had over the trading day. So I won't live stream just yet. I might live stream later on when I feel confident that this channel stuff will actually work. Because I don't want to sit here and start this channel and just make one video and do nothing. I'm trying to force myself to do this, even though I kind of don't want to, as I stated in the beginning of this video, where I really just don't want to like show off and be like this, oh man, I'm a day trader making thousands of dollars a day kind of asshole, if you know what I mean. Sorry for my language. I'm trying to keep my language to a kaput as well, because I don't want to swear too much in these videos. I might swear lightly. I might do it a little bit, but not much. But yeah, we're trading ICT concepts, and we're going to be consistent with it. We're going to keep our emotions at bay. And at the end of the day, after every single trade that I do, I will try and force myself to make a video and kind of show what happened throughout that trading segment that I was doing in the trading day. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know how long this is going to take. I am anticipating us to pass this account eventually. This is my first account I ever had. Ignore the other one that I had with the billing problems, because I was trying to renew it, but it ended up forcing me to make a new one for some reason on my phone. And then they sent me an email later on, oh, reset your account. Well, I already have another account, which, I mean, I do have the practice account, but this is the newer one that I have, because of the billing issues that I was having, and I was forced to make a new account. But the previous account, I was only up like around $500 anyway, and I just don't really care. So, because I can make that $500 back in a couple days. Like I said, I have a lot of patience, and I'm going to prove that I have a lot of patience, and I have the insight and the ability to be consistently profitable in these markets, day trading and using ICT models to do just that. So, in case you're wondering, I already start seeing something form. That's kind of like a little bonus thing before we exit out of here, because it's 10 minutes long already. We do have an order block right here, by the way. And we have our early lows. So if we mark the order block right here, see what's happening? Shifted market structure. We might see this low purged. and eventually into those relative equal lows. I could be wrong. Don't take it for granted, but I believe non-farm payrolls will send us to the core, down to the imbalance and those relative equal lows that I've been eyeing for so long. But I mean, come on, this price action is a bit jank, and really, who knows what it might do? We just gotta let it do its thing, like it always has done for over a century now. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. I know it's kind of like all over the place, and I hope I kind of made a point. So I will try to have another video out soon when I do another trade, possibly on Friday after non-farm payrolls, after the big move happens. I'm not so certain if I'm gonna do that. I might just wait till Monday, Monday of next week, I think. Yeah, or is it Martin Luther King Day? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, no. Okay, so because we're closed tomorrow because Jimmy Carter died, and we're closing the markets tomorrow for some reason. I don't know what the futures market. I know the stock market's closed, but I'm not so certain about the futures market. And the 10th is non-farm payrolls day, so we're not going to be trading that. We'll just be tape reading, and then we got the weekend, and then so the 13th, I think we will do our first kind of trade here on the Top Step account, and I will be documenting that and for the rest of the time that we are in this challenge. And if we pass it, good, and if we don't, good, because we have another opportunity to keep moving forward. So anyway, hope all of you enjoyed this video. I don't know if you really enjoyed it or not, because it's not really anything, it's just me talking, but hope you guys look forward to seeing this amazing journey to getting to past it funded account, but most importantly, to getting to a lifestyle that I've always dreamed of, and that is just having ends meet without having to rely on some stupid job and to do stuff. I mean, that's the goal for every trader, honestly, but that's not the main goal. I just want to be consistent and make ends meet and live a happy life with this, and you're about to witness the beginning of it, and so forth. So I hope to see you in the next one, and it will be sometime, so probably Monday. So anyway, hope to see you in the next one. Peace out, people.